Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. We've got a Dalek, a wind-up Dalek. It's had a bit of damage. He's missing these two bits, and that was his eye used to stick out there, wasn't it? Mono eye. Cost me 50p in a charity shop. Underneath there it says BLUW. Doctor Who logo, copyright BBC 2009, and Dalek, BBC and Terry Nation 1963, is that? Yeah. And while we're in that close, that little thing just there, that's a little post or a pillar that goes in and out as it goes along, so it lifts that wheel off the ground, so he goes round in circles. So his head turns and he goes round, well, I say circles, he turns. Brilliant. I love him. I could take him apart, couldn't I? Shall I do that? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so there's our clockwork motor. Oh, that looks like a weight. Yeah, I think that's just a weight to hold it in place, to help it balance. So we've got a little cam on there that pushes that down. It's a little triangular cam actually, isn't it? Okay, and on this side we've got another cam, a bigger cam, which turns that bit of plastic, which makes it rock side to side, which up at the other end makes his head turn. Nice little touch, and it looks like we didn't need to undo that piece. Is it going to come apart now? It doesn't want to come apart. I don't think I'll force it. I don't think I need to take that bit apart. I think we only need to take the bottom off. Yeah, I'm not going to force it because it's a nice little toy. You see up inside there that the head bit has got a flat piece coming down. I think we can see that. Yeah, you can see it without my finger in the way now. Bring the light over. Yeah, so that's that bit. So that goes over that cam there. Oh. Right, I think I better put it back together. Oh. Just make sure I'm getting this in the right place. That's all right. Get the cam on. That's better. I think I missed it. Yeah. Yeah, excellent fun.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.